Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's I'll try to do the 5 big games speed test and the multitasking test comparison between the Realme X7 Max versus the Mi11X device. Yes friends, I'm going to use only the 5 big games, so which a lot of users did recommend me to use this kind of speed test. The Realme X7 Max has got the Dimensity 1200 and the Mi11X has got the Snapdragon X7 chipset. Let's see friends which phone can actually open these 5 games faster and which phone can store them in the background memory. That is what I'm going to look after. And all these 5 games I did not add into the game space and I did not add into the game turbo. So this is going to be really interesting thing, because if you try to add them into the game turbo and game space, so whenever you open the last application, the game space and the game turbo, they will try to delete and clear the background games. That is the reason I did not add them. So first let me show you quickly. All the background applications is completely clean in both phones, as you can see friends, completely clean in both phones, and both phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network as well. So let me try to even show you the Wi-Fi network, what is both phones are connected. So let me try to exactly connect to the same networks, maybe tapering 5 GHz. So right now I'm trying to connect to the 5 GHz network, as you can see. That's perfectly done. Even let me try to clear the background, the settings option as well. Settings are so clear. Let me try to open the 5 games which I'm going to do the testing right now. So these are the 5 games which I'll be doing right now, the testing. Let's start with the first game, which is a Genshin Impact. Let's see friends which phone will be able to open the Genshin Impact game first. So either the Dimensity processor or the Snapdragon processor. So the first phone to turn on the screen is the Realme X7 Max. As you can see, the Realme X7 Max with the Dimensity processor. It did show the Genshin Impact first. But let's see what will happen with the start. I think the first showed in the Realme X7 Max as well, and now the both phones are getting loading and preparing the data to load. And this is a really good interesting test friends, because I did do the same kind of test comparison with the IQ7 and other mobile phones, and a lot of people, they are really interested to know one thing. So how is the experience with the Mi11X? Can you please compare the Mi11X and the Realme X7 Max? So that is the reason I thought of doing this kind of Mi11X comparison in terms of the speed test mainly. So once the game opens, I'll try to close. I'll try to go back to the home screen directly. Then I'll try to open the next game. Right now, as you can see, the Realme X7 Max and Mi11X device, both phones did open. And now let me try to go back and open the BGMI game. Let's see friends which phone will be able to open this BGMI game first. I just want to see the screen, open screen, start in screen which we get. So first in this Mi11X device you can clearly see friends, and then in the Realme X7 Max you can see the difference. So first Mi11X device and then in the Realme X7 Max, little bit. I don't have to log in. I'll try to keep this home screen as open in this Realme X7 Max. So right now home screen is open, as you can see. Now let me need to go back and open the next game, which is Asphalt 9. Let's see Asphalt 9. Both phones at the same time I did click, and I just want to see that starting. I think first we got in the Mi11X device, as you can see. After 1 second we got in the Realme X7 Max. So 2 times the BGMI game and the Asphalt 9 game did open first in the Mi11X device. But let's see the starting page, startup boot up, which we get the Asphalt 9 page. That is what I'm going to see which phone will be able to do that. And first in the Realme X7 Max, as you can see friends, the Realme X7 Max did load the game faster than the Mi11X device. Then the Mi11X device loaded now, as you can see. So both are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Same Wi-Fi network. There is no game space, there is no game turbo, both phones. So next is a Call of Duty. Let's see the Call of Duty right now. I want to see the login page where they'll mention guest, Facebook and everything. So which phone will be able to open that login page first? And first the Mi11X device did open the login page, as you can see friends clearly. So both Call of Duties are completely open. Till now 3 games are open in the background, as you can see. So sorry, 4 games starting from the Genshin Impact, and all the 4 games exactly same as it is, as you can see friends clearly. Now let me try to go back and let's open the final game, which is a PUBG game. So which will be really interesting to see the PUBG. So which phone will be able to open fast. And again I'll try to come back from the back side, not from the front. I'll try to come back from the reverse order to see how many games were in the background memory. That is what I'm going to check. And both phones are 8GB RAM variants. Yes, so I forgot to mention friends, sorry for that. So 8GB RAM variants, both phones they're having. So let's see, using the 8GB RAM variants, which phone will be having the what kind of speed. And first phone to open is the Realme X7 Max. Not bad, Realme X7 Max, yes. Yes, so now we did open the 5 big games in the background. As you can see, 5 big games completely should be in the background. You can see here. As you can see friends clearly, 5 games are in the completely background. Now let me try to open one by one. So we do know PUBG will definitely open. PUBG, yes. So next, see the next game, which is a Call of Duty game. Perfect, both phones, yes, did pass. And next is Asphalt 9. Let's see if it's Asphalt 9, which phone will be able to open Asphalt 9 first. Yes, both phones are perfectly done, no issues still here. 3 big games. Okay, now BGMI game, perfect, not bad. Yes, both phones. Now the final test is going to be real stress test, I would say. Genshin Impact, I do know Genshin Impact game consumes a lot of background, all the data, but let's see which phone can handle. Sorry, I did not click in the Realme X7 Max, but I think both phones are loading at this point, as you can see. So both phones did not handle the Genshin Impact game, as you can see friends clearly. So both phones are loading from the beginning, so that's another thing which I thought of just mentioning. So this is a quick 5 games big comparison between both phones, and the final results are kind of equal, I would say. Not bad. I'm trying to do the random test as well even right now, but still they are trying to pass this random test using the 5 big games. So maybe from next time I'll try to add the Free Fire game and maybe other small game, maybe 7 games, something like that I'll try to add instead of Genshin Impact game, because Genshin Impact game will take a lot of RAM and background data as well. So in this kind of testing friends, both phones are kind of close to equal. So that's what my points, and very soon I'll try to do the 7 games and 8 games test as well. So make sure to stay tuned for those videos if you are interested. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to check the links in description for more videos. And overall the speed test results slightly got I think a little bit kind of close to each other, because some games did open faster in this phone and some games faster in the Realme X7 Max. At this point I cannot give a clear winner in terms of the speed test and even in terms of RAM management as well. Both are kind of close to each other, as you can see. Even in the random testing as well, still they are performing really great. No issues in terms of opening and closing the applications. As you can see friends, nothing, no problem. Both phones are opening completely fine. All these games in their background memory. And definitely I'll try to do the opening of 20 applications and 30 applications, something like that. I'll try to compare so very soon. So stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested. So thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.